Hello, super learners. Welcome back again to Gear English channel, and I'm happy to be here with you. Now we are going to learn past simple part 2. But before looking at this lesson, why not review past simple part 1? So in this video, we are going to have a quick review of when we use the past simple, and we'll be learning irregular verbs in the positive in the past simple and making questions in the past simple. Now let's start to have a quick review of when we use the past simple. We use the past simple when we talk about completed or finished actions in the past. As you see here, at the previous video, I had this statement say, last year I traveled to France by train. So here he traveled in the past and the action is completed and he isn't traveling now. Another function of simple past is to describe states or feelings from a specific time in the past. It was fun and I really like France. So here he had these feelings at this specific time in the past, last year. And we often use the past time expressions such as I have ever told you in the previous video. For example, last year I traveled to France by train. So other past expression used when the past simple are yesterday, last month, last year, last week, 10 years ago, a month ago, or 5 months ago, in 1997, in 2005, in 2012, or in 2015, and so on. Now let's learn irregular verbs in the past simple. The function and form of irregular verbs. Look at these conversations. It says, I went shopping last week and bought a I had a drink in a small cafe last month and saw a famous footballer. I made a cake for my friend's birthday and sang happy birthday. I did my homework yesterday evening. I won singing competition at the school 2 days ago and they wrote about it in the local newspaper. I knew my boss before I started working at the shop. So, look at the statement above and find the past simple of irregular forms of the verbs to complete the table, and the first one has been done for you. We have here verb infinitive, verb past simple, and sing, sang. Now what about do? Did, go, went, have, had, know, knew, see, saw, make, made, buy, bought, win, won, write, wrote. So the function of the form of and the form of irregular verbs, as you see here, we have verb infinitive and verb past simple. Now these are just a few examples of the past simple of irregular verbs, but there are so many more out there. Now I need you to make a list of all these different irregular verbs you find, and you need to learn them. Now let's make a question in the past simple. Where did you go shopping yesterday? I went to the new shopping center in town. Did your sister reply to the email about your party? Yes, she did. She arrives next week. So from this conversation, can you find some questions in the past simple? Yes, it has. Where did you go shopping yesterday? Did your sister reply to the email about your party? Now we use the example to complete the table. Now use the example to complete the gaps in the table with these words, and the first one has been done for you. We have a subject, verb, and did. The question, where plus did plus the subject or the person, and then plus verb infinitive. So, where did you go shopping? Did your sister reply? Now, make question in the past simple. The infinitive form of the verb is what you find in a dictionary, but without to. Okay? So, for example, like go, reply, do, and call. Now, open questions start with question word. They need a long answer. For example, here, what did they do? Where did you go shopping? Now, closed questions have no question word. They start with did, and we answer with yes or no. Now let's practice. Now look at this exercise. I need you to complete the gaps using the verbs in the bracket. You may pause the video and we'll be back soon to discuss it together. Now let's discuss it together. Number 1, where blah 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 Tina blah 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 get her new car? She blah 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 buy it at the local garage. So here the answer is, where did Tina get her new car? She bought it at the local garage. Number 2, I blah 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 see your aunt last week. Blah 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 she say hello. I saw your aunt last week. Did she say hello? Number 3, blah 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 you blah blah win the race last month. No, I didn't. A girl from Germany blah 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 win. So the answer is, did you win the race last month? No, I didn't. A girl from Germany won. Number 4, what blah 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 your family blah 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 do at the weekend? They blah 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 go to the museum. And the answer is, what did your family do at the weekend? They went to a museum. Number 5, I didn't write to you last week. Sorry. Don't worry, your brother blah 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 write me an email. And the answer is, I didn't write to you last week. Sorry. Don't worry, your brother wrote me an email. Number 6, Taylor blah 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 sang at the wedding 3 days ago. It was beautiful. Blah 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 you blah blah cried. And the answer is, Taylor sang at the wedding 3 days ago. It was beautiful. Did you cry? Okay, super learners, if you learned something from this video, don't forget to subscribe, share, like, and comment. Thanks for watching. Take care and bye bye for now.